What's up, everybody? So I got some new antennas and I'm going to be testing them today. These are the mini antennas from Nidici, or Nidici. I could be saying it wrong, guys. I don't know. Let's open this bag up here and just take a look, see what they look like. I've looked at them through the bag and I've not heard anything about them, but I saw them on Amazon, so I thought I'd grab some and give them a try. They're very small. I do have a Menace Pagoda stubby that I'm going to compare it to. I'm going to do a couple of flights. Yeah, we'll try to do as many flights out as we can because we love to fly. I've got a spotter here today, so we're going to do some tests, see how far these go. I'm not going to change the milliwatts in my quad, so let's go find out. If I can get my...
Nidici? Is it Nidici?
Nidici. I'm going to call it Nidici. We're going to call it Nidici. Maybe it's not Nidici. Maybe it's something else, but we're going to try it. I've got these for my antennas on my goggles. These are tuned to pretty much anything. They've always worked really good. So, and I do not have it in lock mode. I have it in mode 2. Yeah, mode 2. Alright, so we're going to try this Nidici antenna on mode 2 on rapid fire. I'm using a Pro 32 HV VTX. Whatever the original channel and voltage or wattage that it comes with, I think the max is like 100 milliwatts. Maybe it's 200, 400, I don't know. Whatever it comes on, because I didn't unlock it. So we're going to go fly this right now and see how far we can go. So let me get this quad unplugged. I'm going to stay away from everything. You can see I'm going to unplug. Let's pull that antenna off the back. Oh god, that's tight. So I think that was
RF signal critical.
25 milliwatts, and we just did a mile. So it's a good antenna. This is a really, really good antenna. I have to say, I'm impressed.
Telemetry lost.
It's definitely a high gain antenna. There was a little dead spot that you, if the antenna was facing directly at us, because on the back of my quad, it sticks straight out. So if it was facing directly at me, it was a little staticky, but I was a mile. Like, at the power lines, just before the power lines is 1 mile. I flew out there with my camera drone just to verify it. I have an Autel Evo. I did that with this and a TBS Pro 32 HV, not unlocked. So it's just, I put it on whatever channel. I think I'm on F1, Fat Shark 1. I think I'm on Fat Shark 1, whatever Fat Shark channel it is. But yeah, definitely works. I'm going to try the other one, make sure that they're both the same. Try the Nidici number 2, because we got 2 of them. I want to make sure it performs the same. And we're going to go test this and see how this works. was a fun flight. I have to give 2 thumbs up to the antenna. Works good. Definitely worth the money. Definitely, guys. So if you're looking for an antenna for cheap and you need it in like 2 days, go to Amazon and order it from there. I'll give you guys a link down below, and you guys can check it out. Thank you for watching. God bless you.